PBB All-Stars, gusto niyo po bang bumalik? And if ever babalik kayo, anong gagawin niyong kakaiba from your first day in the house? Who wants to go first? Pinas na naman ihip! Alright, Ashley, take it away.
Ako po, kahit na may times po talaga na naiinip po ako sa loob ng bahay kapag walang ginagawa, na-enjoy ko po talaga yung stay ko doon at ang dami ko pong natutunan. So, sa tingin ko po opo, lalo na po kung makakasama ko rin po yung mga old friends ko, yung mga old ex-housemates. So, yes po, gagawin ko. Pero siguro yung thing na gagawin ko is mas enjoyin po talaga. Kasi kahit na po nabigyan na kami ng advice na enjoyin lang mas nila, ang hirap po na i-keep up lang po yung ganung mindset. So, next time po, if ever na mag-join po ulit ako, mas paninindigan ko po yung enjoyin ko lang talaga at huwag iisipin po yung kung ano man yung nangyayari po sa labas para masulit po yung stay po sa loob ng bahay po.
That's really understandable because it's a competition at the end of the day. But yeah, it's important for you to enjoy the moment, enjoy the presence. Of course, Princess?
Well, honestly, for me, syempre po, sobrang magandang opportunity po yan if you were given a chance to go back. But honestly, okay na ako. Parang kasi what made my journey special sa PBB is para sa akin, I only get to do that. Parang once in a lifetime opportunity lang siya. So, para sa akin, okay na din yun. And I'm very grateful sa mga lahat ng na-experience, natutunan, and sa mga taong na-meet ko sa bahay na yan. So, I feel like yung chapter na yun, okay na yun.
Okay na si Princess. Alright, next chapter na tayo. Alright, how about you, Caprice?
Kung may chance po na bumalik sa bahay ni Kuya, gusto ko po kahit as a housemate or house guest, gusto ko po talaga na matry ulit yun. Kasi once in a lifetime experience lang po siya. So para ma-experience po yan ng 2 beses, why not po? Kaya na-excite po ako at mas i-enjoyin ko po at for sure lalaki po yung group of friends ko kapag sumali po ako po.
Twice in a lifetime na.
Yeah.
How about you, Heath? Yan.
Ako po kasi nami-miss ko rin po yung bahay ni Kuya and ayun, it would be a great opportunity to go back. So, ayun, ako okay naman po ako na bumalik po sa bahay ni Kuya kasi na-enjoy ko rin po ng sobra yung stay ko doon kasi it was like a big sleepover po with my friends kaya super na-enjoy ko po talaga. And yung, kung bumalik po ako ulit, I'm just gonna do the same thing, just enjoy po, like Ashley said. I'm just gonna enjoy my stay a lot more and not really worry too much about that outside world and just enjoy the entire process.
Enjoy the moment, like they say. Thank you so much for that, Heath. How about you, Clifford?
Ako naman, I wouldn't say no to that opportunity. Siguro ngayon, undecided pa ako, pero when the opportunity comes, siguro doon ko na malalaman yung decision ko. And lalo na ngayon na magkakaroon ng bagong bahay si Kuya. So, syempre, sobrang exciting. It's a new experience. And, ayun, I wouldn't say no to that.
What would you do differently, if ever?
Siguro I would be less scared kasi may times na natakot ako kay Kuya. So siguro mas maging vocal lang ako.
A braver side of Clifford. Abangan natin yan. How about you, Marco?
Honestly, I don't really know pa sa ngayon. So, at this point, I'll leave it to God kung ano mang mangyari. But for me, I'm just gonna be open to whatever opportunity na ibigay sa akin at kung naaayon ko yun sa path na gusto ni Lord para sa akin. And siguro, yun nga, dahil magkakaroon ng bagong bahay, it's gonna be a new kind of experience. And I would be thrilled to try it at least one more time and with a different set of housemates naman kasi I believe na magkakaroon naman kami ng different dynamics kapag napapasok ulit ako as a housemate. Pero ayun, siguro something that I would change. Honestly, wala talaga kasi by that time it's gonna be a different timeline na. So by that time may mga bagay na rin ako natutunan at kasi I believe na there's always room for improvement. So I'll always see it as that na the reason kung bakit ako makakabalik man, kung magkakaroon ng All-Star, is because meron pa akong kailangan i-discover sa sarili ko. At isasama ko yung mga housemates at yung mga taong nanonood sa journey ko na yun.
So Marco's going to leave it to fate and destiny.
Yes, sir.
Aabangan namin yan.
Amen.
How about you, Lee?
Well, the idea of PBB All-Stars, honestly, saya na nun eh. So, parang hindi ko natatanggihan pa. Like, go na ako dyan, honestly. And you know, kung ano pa ba gagawin kong pagbabago, honestly, kung anong Lee Victor nakita nyo nung Collab 2.0, yun pa rin na Lee Victor ang makikita nyo. Pero, since I know what to do or how the game is played now, siguro low cortisol version naman ni Lee Victor. ang
Sample
makikita.
nga, sample.
Basta yun, tas there was a common thing everybody said and it's to have fun. Meron kami isang house guest nung Collab 2.0, si Kuya Ruru. Lagi nang remind sa amin na parang, don't treat it as a competition, just have fun all throughout your stay. Kasi yun nga, the PBB experience, di mo na yung mababalikan eh, kaya siguro yun, to have fun all the time. And siguro to have more deep talks with one housemate to another. Kasi parang di ko ata masyadong nagawa yun nung Collab 2. Like to have like serious deep talks with all of the housemates. So kung bibigyan ng opportunity ulit, let's go for it. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much for that, Lee. Enjoy every moment kasi once in a lifetime na makapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. And guys, that